Here we split up this term so that we get 2 into integration of x dx minus 3 integration of cos x dx plus integration of e power x dx. Integration of x dx value is x dx x power 1 plus 1. Here its power is 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to x power 2 by 2. So that 2 into x square by 2 minus 3 into integration of cos x dx value is sin x. So minus 3 sin x. Integration of e power x dx value is e power x plus constant. Cancelling this 2, we get a x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. This is the answer.